Good day everyone, it's Wendell September here. Today we're gonna make some chicken schnitzel. I have some chicken fillets here that I'm gonna make into fried chicken schnitzel. There's the chicken fillets. I've got also some flour here. I've got 2 eggs beaten up and I added some water that I'm going to use. Okay, I'm going to process the chicken fillets into smaller pieces, and then we're going to start our frying. For this I'm using a roll pin, a wooden one. Just going to flatten it a little bit. For this I'm using just a normal Ziploc bag. Okay, it's nice and flattened. There's my flour and there's my egg. So I'm going to put it into the egg, and then into the flour, sorry, into the egg, and then into the flour. And then back into the egg again, and again into the flour. So I'm going to do this process with all of them. Okay, here's another big one. Okay. Okay, I'm busy with the final one here. This is the last one. There you go. Okay, all of them are done. This is the fillets. And I'm going to fry them now. Okay, it seems like the oil is ready. I'm going to put the first schnitzel in. Okay, let's put the first one in. See how it goes. Okay, the first one is in. Okay, I think this one is ready now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take it out and put it on the drip tray. Put it on the drip tray. 2 more in there. Okay, looks like they are ready too. Okay, this is the last one. I think is ready to be taken out. Okay, let me give you guys a close-up how it looks. Okay guys, this is my version of a chicken schnitzel. Fried chicken schnitzel. Thank you everyone for watching. I appreciate it. Please like my video, and for more videos please subscribe. Thank you.